If you dey online and maybe wan give person your Facebook link or your Instagram link or YouTube link and the rest, now see wetin you go do, see how you go take get am. And start with Facebook. If you go your Facebook now for your phone, you touch your Facebook app. Now you go to your profile. So I click here, I touch here to my profile. Now for your profile, you go see three straight dots towards the end. If you tap them, now you go down, you go see your profile link. They say now your profile link, your personalized link on Facebook. Now your profile link be this. So if you want to send that to somebody, just click what? Copy. If I copy and I fit carry and go paste to somebody. If I want to share them, I can say what? Click what? Share profile. So with that, I can share the link. Say copy link, I can still copy the link. I fit still share them for Messenger as text. I fit share them as for WhatsApp and so on. So now there you go take see your Facebook profile link. You get them. Now if now for WhatsApp, you want to see your WhatsApp profile link, maybe you want give person your WhatsApp profile link, especially WhatsApp business. Now if you just go to your WhatsApp business, you open your WhatsApp business, then you come over to choose. Once you click choose the open, then this three dot for up near the camera, you tap them. Once you tap them, you see short link. You just click what? Short link. Once you tap them, you see say your profile code 94 up here. So now there you go take see your WhatsApp business profile code. So from there, if you share them, if you want share them, maybe no one copy them, you just want share them, just go share link. So from share link, if you share them to your Facebook, to your Messenger, Instagram, Gmail and so on. So now you know where you want share and go. But now there now, so you go take get your WhatsApp link. So in case you want share and to people. Then for TikTok, if you did TikTok, you go your TikTok app. If I open TikTok now, I don't click TikTok to open, so I just go to my profile. See this sign and I share. So if you don't want to go deep, once you just tap this share sign, you see a copy link. The other one says share link. So you can decide to just tap to copy. Say profile link copy, share it with your friends. So the link don't they copied. But if you want to see maybe how the link be, you click a share link. When you click share link, now you don't see share profile open, copy link and the rest don't open. So if you want to see them, you click more, you don't see your profile link. So if now Instagram now you want go, you tap your Instagram. Once you tap Instagram, you open, you come over, you click your profile picture. Once you click your profile picture, say now share profile. If you click share profile, so you see share profile, copy link. So just as I take do for WhatsApp and TikTok, once you click share, then if you click more, you will see saying your profile link go appear. You will see your profile link. Then if you want to see your YouTube profile code, maybe get a channel, you want to see your YouTube profile code. If you go YouTube, for example, I use this my channel, I click on the profile of the logo where you go see you, and I click view channel. I type view channel now, See as the thing still be there. I go come say more. As I click more, you see am under more info, this website sign, this web sign, you see am there. So na the profile link be that. So if I want share am to people, I just tap am. If I tap am, see am copy link, quick share, QR code that I can share to WhatsApp, WhatsApp business and so on. So I can share to anybody or any app. So anyone at all, if na LinkedIn or X wey be Twitter or anyone at all ready to call anyone, just go to that your profile. If you click your profile, you go check, you go see where link dey, share link or copy link, e dey there. Thank you. Abeg, always share this page to other people dem wey need am. The people need am well well. Also like, comment, e dey important. Thank you. In case you need somebody wey handle your social media page make e go well, abeg contact me. I dey available anytime.